we're doing today. So I've got to install the radiator in the Civic and temporary exhaust. This is actually a DC2 or DC4 full-size rad. It's the same one I had in the car before. The inlet port used to be on this side here, but we modified it so the inlet's on this side now. What that means is, instead of having to buy a new K-swap radiator, I have a full-sized rad. And the other thing is, before, the inlet and outlets, you slip down in there, you can't see it, there it is. The inlet and outlet were on the same side, so we weren't really maximizing the efficiency of the rad. Having the inlet, which is where the hot side is, having the inlet on this side and the outlet on that side means more coolant has to flow through the entire radiator to get back into the engine, so it's going to be a lot more efficiently used. The really exciting part, so we have spent a bit of time already wiring up the Haltech plugs, so that's on the engine loom. Today I've just got to do one more plug under the dash for the fuel pump and ignition signal and everything. This labeled mess here is the K-series harness converted to Haltech plugs. These two right here.